what's your take on kind of the landscape of business travel right now? What are you hearing? What are you seeing? What types of conversations are you having?
A lot of conversations around travel really coming back now. I think people are confident. I think they know people need to travel. They're seeing it very much as a business enabler again. But I think all the conversations are around travel policy really, and people want the world to change. They want the best from their employees. People aren't working in offices anymore. They're travelling from home, from a different place. And risk management, how they look after people, making sustainable options. Those are the things that people are really at the forefront of them.
Miranda, switching back to you, tell us a little bit more about GPO. How does it get to the heart of what customers and travel managers are really wanting and needing these days?
Sure. So what we do is really listen, and not just to our customers, but to our internal stakeholders as well. So we spend a long time talking with our program managers, getting their point of view, looking at the program from a non-emotional perspective, and also doing workshops with the customers when it makes sense. And we build an analysis around that. We look at the opportunities of optimizing the program, and we'll take it back within the business, within BCD, but also to the customer. And we can really start tailoring solutions at that point. So although we analyze, we take a lot of data, we are also very focused on the human factor. So behind every data point, there is a traveller or a travel arranger. And we not only look at the data points, but how do you start driving behaviour to make changes that optimise programmes? And it is all about that interview, that listening, and working alongside our colleagues as well as the customers.
Matt, what tactics, solutions would you say help programs optimize, where they're going in these next 12 months and what goals they want to accomplish?
Well, I think the best thing that people can do is to really engage with their stakeholders and gather those stakeholders and find out what HR, their sustainability officer, their risk management people, security, finance, what they really want to get from the program. And I think people need to start updating their travel policies, and that's where we can really help them to make those safe. And I think it's not always about waiting for the data. People seem very keen at the moment to get data on sustainability. It's about just getting on with it. We know how you can make sustainable options and starting updating your policies and really encouraging in your business to get things going whilst we're waiting for some of these new innovations to come forward. So I think very much about stakeholder engagement, about the policy, and very much about getting on with it. I think that's the most important thing.